It's all about the harness and everything else, but it's important to realize what sets different models apart and why you should care about the model in the first place. So different models have different capabilities, like the number of tokens that it has its context window or working memory. Some can think, others cannot. Speed is a very important factor because like the more complex your workflow, the faster you want it to occur. So you want the number of tokens being generated to increase, the number of tokens per second. Cost, as the number of tokens increases, starts to matter a lot more because if you're paying a lot per token, you want to, you're not going to be able to run as big of a job. So the thing with proprietary models is that you're like locked into that model and that provider, and they're able to increase the prices or switch the underlying model to the hood without telling you. Whereas with open weight models, you have the flexibility of where it's hosted, where you run inference, and hence like the costs are almost certainly always going to be significantly lower. It's worth adding though that like in general, when you're prototyping, you're better off using just the most capable and expensive model. But as you go into production and start using the model more, then you can optimize. That being said, these open weight models like DeepSeek 4 that came out about a month ago are actually as good as the proprietary models, such as Claude Sonnet 4.6, but they cost like 1/16 of the price. And for like uncoding tasks, for general knowledge work, they're just good enough, and there's really no need to go with the more expensive models. And they're also faster.